I've been getting a lot of questions from my real estate investors coming up towards the end of the year, and they've been wondering, do I need to get a cost segregation analysis done on my property before the end of the year, or do I still have time to get it done before I file my taxes? And the answer is you do not need to get a cost seg done until you go to file your taxes. And if you file an extension in April next year, you actually have until October of 2024 to get that cost segregation analysis completed. So all of my real estate investors out there, no, do not worry about the cost seg just yet. Focus on tracking and documenting your hours. Make sure that if you're going to qualify for real estate professional status, you have your hours tracked and logged. If you're doing short-term rentals and you're going to meet material participation, have your time log set and ready, and so that you have everything set and ready to go. Now, if you got your cost seg done before the end of 2023, then there is no worries. That report will still apply to your taxes in April. Now, a little tip for all of my real estate investors out there: if you're going to get a property and you're going to do some renovations on that property, make sure you do the cost seg before you do the renovations. That way you can capture all of those deductions whenever you first buy the property, and then when you do the renovations, you can go back in and you can bonus depreciate any of those renos that qualify for bonus depreciation.